Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today, we want to continue the fundamentals of deep learning, part number 3. The previous session explained about what is active function, activation function, and sigmoid and neuron also. Let's continue. Today, we will see about the loss functions, the types of loss function. So, as of you know, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and what are the metrics and topics discussed here? These are common for both machine learning and deep learning also. Loss function. Loss function is a method of evaluating how well your algorithm modeling your data set, and it is one of the vital metrics for evaluating model performance, guiding parameter adjustments, and optimizing the algorithms during the training period also. And we can say it's look like a scorecard for your ANN also. And there are two types of loss function is there. One is called mean square error, another one called the root mean squared error here. First one is so it's look like the diagram. Later we go for deeply understanding if the examples also possible. So mean squared error. So one of the standard and familiar used loss function, and it will help to predict the difference between the actual and predicted. That is the average of squared difference between the actual output values and the predicted values here. And it also helpful to measure the average magnitude of the error in the predictions. Here, formula for calculating mean squared error is MSE is equal to 1 by n multiplies sigma of actual minus predicted whole square. Here, where n is the number of samples and actual and predicted are the actual and predicted values respectively. Let's move on the small example for understanding about the mean squared error. Example, let's assume that we have collected the data of 5 people and their heights, actual heights and ages are like this. That is person P1, age is 25 and followed by height is 170 cm. Person P2, that is age is 28 and height is 165. At last, end with similarly P5, age is 35 and height is 150 centimeter. Suppose if apply this loss function, we may get the results like this. That predicts the following output like this. P1, age is 25 and height is 165. Similarly, P2 age is 28 and height is 170 centimeter. Similarly, P5 age is 35 and height is 150 centimeter. This next step is the root mean squared error. This is also one of the simple square loss function used in the deep learning, and it is used to calculate the average absolute difference between the actual values and the model for model prediction across the data set also. It will be defined as RMSE is equal to square root of MSE. And using the same example, we can calculate the model with the answer like this. That is, we may get the solution that is RMSE is equal to root 51 of 7.14 centimeter. This is about function, what is meant by loss function and types of loss function. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.